So now let's explore these class names. So let's now look at this class name here. Here I have something like d-none dsm block. Okay. To my div one here, I'm going to say d-none dsm block. Okay, initially it is display none. We will not be able to see this div. As soon as we enter small screen 576 pixel, now we are going to be able to see this div one. As soon as we get more than small screen, we will be able to see this div one. Now look at this. Did you notice here I'm no longer able to see div one? It is now in display one. But as soon as I go more than small screen, I'm able to see this div one. Now look at this class name dsm none dmd block. dsm none dmd block. What does this mean here? By default, this div is block only. But as soon as we enter the small screen, it is not going to be visible. After it has entered medium screen, we are making it from display none to display block again. So we will be able to see it back. Now see, initially we are able to see this div one. As soon as we enter the small screen, 576 pixels, now I'm not able to see div one. But now as soon as I enter medium screen, which is 768 pixels, now we will be able to see that div one. Now look at this. DLG none means as soon as you enter large screen, you will not be able to see it. And DXL block means as soon as you enter extra large screen, which is more than 1200 pixel, now you will be able to see it. Okay. Similarly, here you have DXL none, which means that as soon as you have entered large screen, you will not be able to see it. Now let's understand this one here. At the start, we will not be able to see this div one. As soon as we enter the medium screen, we are making it block, so we are able to see it. But after we enter the large screen, we will not be able to see it. Okay. See, at the start, it is not visible, but in the large screen, we are making it block, which means more than 768. Now, still the div one is not visible. As soon as we enter 768, now see, we are able to see it. But as soon as we enter the large screen, 992 pixel, now what is happening? Did you see we are not able to see it again? Now look at this one, D none DLG block. So basically what does this mean? We are not able to see it initially, but as soon as we entered the large screen, we will be able to see it. Now we are not able to see div one. As soon as we enter the large screen, now we are able to see that div one.